let's look at this problem one more time. So on this problem, we have 2, 6, 6, and 2. So this is the second part. So if we did this, these are least common multiples, right? So if we wanted to, we could change this to 1 Na3 PO4 plus 3 KOH yields 246. That would be 3 NaOH plus 1 K3PO4. So if we look, it can be that also. So now what I want to do is I want to do the second problem that we have here. So then this one here, we have MgF2, right? We have CO3, excuse me, MgCO3 plus LiF. So the first thing I needed to do is I need to start my timer. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down our equation. It's MgF2 plus Li2CO3 yields MgCO3 plus LiF. Okay, so maybe you need to go and look at your periodic table. Maybe you'll need to go and see which ones are. Remember, capital letter, small letter, that's an element. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to draw a line in between. I'm going to say Mg. I'm going to do F, Li, C, and O. As you can tell, those are my capital letters, right? I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start counting first. So Mg is 1, F has 2, Li has 2, carbon has 1, oxygen has 3. On the product side, Mg has 1, F has 1. I've got C, carbon, right? It actually has 1. Li has 1. And oxygen has 3. So if I look, my F and my Li's are smaller. Everything else is right. Correct? So the only thing I have to do is I have to change Li and C to, F and Li to 2. So the only thing I have to do is put a 2 in front of here. That's a 2, that's a 2. And now this is a 1, this is a 1, this is a 1, and it is balanced. So that is question number 2. Let's look at question number 3. And remember, you just go through, put an X. RbNO3 plus BeF2 yields BeNO6 plus RbF. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to look at, Rb is my first thing. Nitrogen, oxygen, beryllium, and fluoride. Rhenium, nitrogen, oxygen, selenium, and fluoride. So this one, my BH is 1, my N is 1, my O is 3, my BE is 1, and my F is 2. On this side, my BE is 1, my nitrogen is 2, my oxygen is 6, beryllium is 1, and my F is 1. So if I look at that, excuse me, I look and I say, all right, well, let's see. Rubidium's fine. This is nitrogen on this side, smaller. Oxygen on this side, smaller. Be is fine, and F is smaller over here, right? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change, and I would work on the nitrogen and oxygen first. So for me to make 2, I had to put a 2 in front of here. If I do, it changes my rubidium to 2, it changes my nitrogen to 2, and it changes my oxygen to 6, right guys? Alright, so then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look on this side. Well, I need to change my rubidium to 2, don't I? So I'm going to put a 2 in front of here. That would make that a 2, and my fluorine a 2. Well, 2, 2, 6, 1, and 2. Balanced. So then I'm going to go through, put my 1s in, do my X, and I'm going to call it a day for that one. That one is question number 3. So what you're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to the next page. So we're going to do number 4. Number 4 says AgNO3 plus Cu yields CuN2O6 plus Ag. Okay, so we have AgNOCu. Remember, they're all capitalized. That's what we're looking for. AgNOCu. So Ag is 1, nitrogen is 1, oxygen is 3. Cu is 1. Over here, Cu is 1, nitrogen is 2, oxygen is 6, and argon is 1. So then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go down and say, all right, nitrogen on this side is smaller, oxygen on this side is smaller, and let's see what I need to do now for that one. So for that, I need to change nitrogen and oxygen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 2 in front of here, and if I do that, changes that to a 2. My nitrogen now is 2, and my oxygen now is 6. So we look good except this one. Ag over here needs to have a 2 in front. That changes that to a 2. And guess what? We have got that one balanced. Now, look, guys. This is all you got to do. You just got to go through. My expectation is for you to have this written down in your notebook. And then what you'll do is you'll take this notebook and you will take a picture of it and you will submit it online. Okay? So the only one that you need to do is question number 5. I've showed you everything else on there, and then if you flip over, practice and see if you can do those. If you're having a problem and you would like me to videotape another problem, I can. I hope you have a good day.